Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you my chocolate mousse cake recipe. Let's start by making the chocolate sponge. In a mixing bowl, add 4 eggs and 140 grams of sugar. Mix them together, then place the bowl over boiling water and keep mixing until all the sugar dissolves. Whip on high speed for 4 to 6 minutes. Until it's very thick. Then whip on low for 1 minute to remove big air bubbles. Sift 100 grams of flour and 20 grams of cocoa powder. Fold until you don't see any more flour. In a bowl, add 40 grams of oil and 20 grams of room temperature milk. Then add some of the batter and mix well. Pour everything back into the batter and fold very well. Pour the batter in a greased 22 centimeter baking pan. And tap to remove big air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Now let's make the chocolate mousse. In a bowl, melt 180 grams of dark chocolate. Melt them in the microwave or over hot water. Then in a saucepan on low heat, add 60 grams of sugar and 60 grams of heavy cream. Once it's about to boil, mix 4 large egg yolks, and add some of the hot mixture and mix to temper the yolks. Then return everything back to the saucepan on low heat and mix for 1 minute only to kill any bacteria from the yolks. We do not want to cook this. Whip the yolk mixture until it becomes creamy and the color lightens. Whip 2 cups of heavy cream. Temperature is very important for this chocolate mousse. The melted chocolate has to be around body temperature. It cannot be too hot or it will melt the whipping cream. Add the room temperature yolk mixture to the chocolate and mix well. Now start adding the whipping cream bit by bit, making sure to fold very well. Don't add all the cold whipping cream all at once or your chocolate will set and you will end up with pieces of chocolate. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe. Cut your chocolate sponge into 2. Then using a 23 centimeter ring mold, place the chocolate sponge in the middle. Soak the sponge with a simple syrup. I made a quick one by putting half cup of honey and 1/4 cup of water into a microwave for 30 seconds. Add berry jam, then the chocolate mousse. Let your chocolate mousse cake set overnight in the fridge, then place it in the freezer for 2 hours. To take out the ring mold, heat the sides. While the chocolate mousse cake is in the freezer, make the chocolate mirror glaze. Mix together 1.5 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin and 1/4 cup of water. Mix this well and leave it aside. Then in a saucepan on medium heat, add 1/2 cup of heavy cream. One-fourth cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and mix until it starts boiling. Then add 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Let this boil for 4 minutes. Then turn off the heat and add the gelatin mixture and mix very well to dissolve. Strain it so you won't have any lumps. Let it reach room temperature before coating your cake. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe.